I'm vlogging, it's Vlogmas. It's a lot of fun. I'm vlogging, it's Vlogmas. Let's see what I got done. Merry Christmas!
Rotten. Ooh, I like the color. I like that. That's nice. It matches on you.
I matched my shirt when I was doing it yesterday. I was wearing a maroon shirt.
I like it. That's so nice.
Fun.
Rotten, we should do. Rotten, do your beard.
Shut up. That's really gonna happen.
Happy Vlogmas Day! Oh, she's gonna vlog.
I can take the scenic route. Jesus he could have me take the scenic route. I'm going up to a hot air balloon. But when mommy dies, she's gonna go straight up.
I just think it's funny. You have this whole thought like, when I meet Jesus, I'm gonna be hugging him, and then there's gonna be a line of people behind me.
Saying what?
Come on, Shanita, hurry up! I wanna hug Jesus too.
I think of that. It's crazy.
It's funny.
But now they made it to heaven, so there's no arguing in heaven. So they will be patient. They will, you know what I mean? Like, cause that's how you get to heaven. Like you're a saint. There's no arguing. There's no competition. There's no favoritism. There's none of that. So they'll be like, oh, isn't that lovely?
They're still impatient. Like, come on, Shanita, I want Jesus too.
Oh, that wasn't hard. You want me to slam it into you? I would want to go to the hospital. I want to go to the hospital.
What? I hate to see this.
I got this.
Ooh!
I'm never gonna.
Oh wait, I want to be in Vlogmas.
No, your face can't be in it. That's illegal.
Why?
No, it's not legal. No, it's not. It's legal. I'm 13, miss. Dang it. I'm 13, miss.
Vlogmas.
I'm 13.
Wait, can I just put my hands in it? Yeah.
I'm 13.
Gucci gang, what's up? I'm 13.
Tomorrow's my birthday. Miss 13. Also vlog until I'm Miss Boy's favorite. Cause dang. Oh my god, when she was like 9, she's posting. You're giving me mixed signals. What's that? Mixed signals.
Mixed
Same
signals.
difference. Shut up.
Vlog, do you hear that?
He's
Vlog?
confusing.
You know that middle school drama, mixed signals.
Oh yes.
You got right there.
Cause I know this is me.
This is my hand. My scrunchie.
What are we sharing again? What we did over Thanksgiving?
Highlight or what you did, yeah.
Well, there's a lot of stuff that was the highlight. Majorly the food, because food is bomb. Oh yes, food. That was the biggest part. I ate.
Go to Lucas. Honestly, I mean, I don't blame you guys for having that as your highlight. The food's the best part sometimes.
You know, it's a little too
late if you're gonna do it there. You can't walk out here and make it not smell.
I have a late smell.
My brother had called my auntie old. She's like, I'm not old. I'm like, okay,
Whoa! She is not born in the 1950s. Is she?
Savage.
she's like, I don't know, like 30.
She's not born in the 1950s. She's in the 1980s.
You called a millennial a boomer.
Can we please sing happy birthday to Mr. Connor?
We are going to.
Thank you, boys and girls. I love you guys. I love this one. I love that one. I love this one. Hey, you know what is the best gift you can give me? An amazing, successful concert performance. Like sing from your heart.
Put in the work.
Sing from your heart.
So Shanita thinks it's 30 miles all the way to Eva Beach from Waianae. I don't agree. So we're tracking the miles. Also, I drive home in her car on Mondays and Wednesdays. That's why I'm in a driver's seat. I don't actually have my own car. This is her car.
It's not funny, bro. It's scary.
You scared me. It's like it's like really good. So it was Monday at school teaching children. The clips you saw were pretty chaotic just because I started off the class period for the first like 20 minutes just like having the kids pass the mic and talk about how their Thanksgiving went. Since we're just coming back from a long break, I knew the kids were gonna be kind of all over the place, so it's just a good way to like regroup. And then we sang afterwards. You saw a little bit of the kids singing, or heard a little bit of the kids singing, but we did sing. We got things done. Tomorrow we're gonna rehearse a couple more songs. Wednesday we're gonna learn some dance moves to the songs. Thursday we're gonna rehearse the whole set. And then Friday's my goodbye party with my mom. So I'm looking forward to this week. It's gonna be a good week. Anyways, that's all I have for you guys today. So I will see you little cuties later. Bye.